Hi friends, Jay Sennett here for another edition of Cooking with Jay. Thank you for watching. Hope all of you are doing well. This edition of Cooking with Jay, I'm going to make a crispy skinned haddock with a char-grilled broccolini. Another yummy dish coming out of my Jazzy Jae kitchen. So if you're ready to see me make this dish, it's pretty simple. It's very simple. Let's get busy cooking. So here on my cutting board, I had just one fillet of haddock, and if you notice underneath, I still have the skin because you want the skin on. Hence the title, crispy skin, right? And let's go over here to the stove. Now, before we do that, I took some broccolini and I put it on my grill, and I grill it until it gets charred, right? Until it gets charred. It's a nice crispy charred texture to it. It's going to be yummy. So let's go over here to the stove and we'll start cooking this haddock. And here I have some grapeseed oil. You can use peanut oil or sesame oil if you can find it. When it medium high, let's try it out. Yes. Okay. Oops. Skin down first. Okay. Skin down first. All right, we're going to leave that one alone. Now, one thing we want to do is press to make sure all the skin is getting cooked. Okay. That's how you get that crispy texture. All right. Okay. And just want to do this just for a couple of minutes on each side. Now you can also use a different fish. You can use red snapper, which I couldn't find. I wanted to use red snapper, but couldn't find it. Use flounder. Some striped sea bass. Whatever you can find, leave the skin on. Okay. There's no carb in this fish. It's just the fish and the broccolini. Now, do you have to use broccolini? No, you can use broccoli. All right. I like the name, broccolini. It's a bit more romantic than broccoli. Broccolini. Broccoli. Smart like that, really. All right. Getting there. Cooking with Jay, my show airs Sunday evenings at 6 on the WHRO Public Media Facebook page. Okay? And if you can't watch it at 6 o'clock, it stays on the page so you can get to it later. Just scroll down. Something I didn't mention, once the fish is done, and I remove the fish, I'm going to make a sesame chili sauce. Okay? A sesame chili sauce. And now while that's cooking right there, I'm going to come back to the cutting board very quickly. You can use a red chili if you can find it. This is a jalapeno, right? Get the seeds out. Okay. just diced up. Let's go back to the fish. Turn it down. Yeah, look at that. Woo. That's a crispy layer. That skin. You keep them separated. You don't want them to steam. And keep that crispy texture happening. But remember, skin side down. You want to press down like that. Okay? So all the skin gets that heat. And you can get that crispy texture on the skin. Alright, this fish is very thin. These are thin fillets, so we're just about done here. Just about another 30-40 seconds on this side. Bowl out, a plate out over here for the fish. Okay, I think we're good. Turn this down, the heat down, not off. Right, so now what I'm going to do, add a little bit of the sesame oil. Alright. Fire up a little bit. Right, now I want to add the jalapeno. Again, you can use a red chili. Alright. Woo! Man, it's smelling good in here. Now we want to add some of this garlic, grated ginger, I'm going to add some of the soy sauce, low sodium. All right, I'm going to add a little bit of honey. Oh! All right, and a little bit of chili oil. Just a tad. Just a pinch. There we go. All right. Fire off. That smells wonderful. Okay. So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to start to plate. Go over here. Da-da-da. Fish. The broccolini. The crispy broccolini. The char-grilled broccolini. Crispy skin haddock. Okay, move this over here. Now we're going to add some of this sauce. Let's move it over here, get it off the board. This is my Jazzy Jae crispy skin haddock with char-grilled broccolini with a chili soy sauce to go over the dish. Oh. And there's one little piece of fish that didn't make the cut. Get it? Cut? Okay. You can also substitute a red chili instead of the jalapeno, but I didn't have a red chili, I had jalapeno. Hope you can try this. Let me know what you think. Send me an email to j.senate@whrv.org. I would always love to know what you think about the show. Let me know if you watch the show. If you try some of these dishes, I would love to know what you think. This is a tasty dish right here. Again, no carbs, very healthy. Has some heat in it because of the jalapeno and the chili oil. Okay, but it's delicious, delicious meal. Don't forget about my Send It in Session Jazz Show, Monday through Thursday nights from 9 until 1 on WHRO FM 89.5, and Saturday mornings from 1 until 5, and Sunday afternoons from 1 until 5. And I also host the R&B Chronicles on Friday nights from 7 until 8. But this show about cooking, okay? Eating healthy, creating some interesting flavor profiles, and creativity. Because I'm an artist, that's what I do. I create. Thank you for watching. Until next edition of Cooking with Jay, be safe, friends. We'll see you then.
Hi everyone, Jay Sennett here. Cooking with Jay is now even more jazzy in my new home with my chef's kitchen. I'd love for you to check it out. Join me Sunday evenings at 6 on Facebook at WHRO Public Media. Let's get cooking.